Magandang gabi and good evening, Playtime fam! Welcome to the official live stream of the 17th PMPC Star Awards for Music 2026, presented by Playtime Entertainment.
Fan Favorite Award, powered by Playtime Entertainment, goes to SB19.
On behalf of SB19, Monzi Entertainment, Sony Music Philippines, SLMD sa mga 18 na bumoto para sa parangal na ito. Thank you so much po.
To PMPC, thank you so much. This means more to be and all to those people na trying their very best.
Kaya doon sa mga aspiring na mga tao or group or nagsisimula pa lang talaga, don't ever give up on your dreams.
Ito'y isang paalala sa ating lahat na kailangan once in a while. Tingin tayo, appreciatein natin yung mga nagagawa natin mga Pilipino, especially when it comes to our music.
Music is a universal language of hope. May kapangyarihan itong hindi lang maging entertainment, kung hindi mag-inspire. Let's make art that encourages people to find peace, healing, and hope. Mabuhay po kayong lahat at maraming salamat. All in all to God. Thank you so much.